Today's video is called Attract Wealth and Abundance, Deep Breathing Guided Sessions for Money Manifestation. Welcome to our transformative deep breathing sessions designed to help you manifest money and abundance in your life. Discover the power of intentional breath work as we guide you through various techniques to align your energy, release limiting beliefs, and attract financial prosperity. Whether you're seeking to enhance your money-making abilities or cultivate a mindset of abundance, these sessions will empower you to manifest wealth. Join us on this journey of deep breathing, visualization, and energy activation to unlock the financial success you desire. Prepare to revolutionize your connection with money and unleash a world of limitless abundance. The first part of this video will list the types of breathing exercises for wealth and abundance. The second part of this video will take you through a guided session to manifest abundance. If you're ready, let us begin by listing the various breathing techniques that will help you manifest abundance. 1. Abundance breathwork. This session focuses on cultivating a mindset of abundance and attracting financial prosperity. Through deep breath work, you harmonize your energy with that of a wealth and abundance, liberating yourself from any constricting notions or scarcity mentality that might impede your financial progress. 2. Gratitude breathing. Gratitude is a powerful tool for manifesting money. In this empowering session, you'll go into deep breathing while consciously embracing gratitude for the money you've got and the exciting financial opportunities that come knocking. This powerful practice helps shift your focus towards abundance, attracting even more wealth into your life. This practice helps shift your focus towards abundance and attract more wealth into your life. 3. Intentional visualization. Deep breathing combined with intentional visualization can be a potent practice for money manifestation. During this session, you take slow, deep breaths while vividly visualizing yourself achieving your financial goals. By aligning your breath with your visualizations, you enhance the power of your intentions and increase the likelihood of manifesting them. 4. Release and let go. Sometimes, our attachment to money can create resistance and block its flow into our lives. This breathing session emphasizes letting go of any fears, doubts, or worries about money. As you take deep, calming breaths, you effortlessly let go of the desire to control and instead nurture a profound sense of trust in the boundless abundance of the universe. This practice creates space for money to flow effortlessly. 5. Energy activation. This session focuses on activating your energy centers or chakras related to money and abundance. By engaging in specific breathing techniques and directing your breath to these energy centers, you awaken and amplify their energy, enhancing your ability to attract financial opportunities and wealth. 6. Mind-body alignment. Money manifestation is not just about the mind, it also involves aligning your body's energy with your financial goals. In this session, you combine deep breathing with gentle movements or yoga postures to release tension and energy blockages that may be impeding your money-making efforts. By bringing your mind and body into alignment, you create a harmonious environment for financial abundance. 7. Affirmation breathing. Affirmations are like empowering mantras that rewire your subconscious mind, paving the way for resounding success. During this breathing session, you choose affirmations related to money and financial abundance. With each inhalation and exhalation, you repeat these affirmations in your mind, allowing them to sink deeply into your subconscious and influence your beliefs and actions. Remember, while deep breathing sessions can be a supportive practice for money manifestation, they work best when combined with practical actions, such as setting clear financial goals, taking steps towards financial literacy, and exploring income-generating opportunities. Now let us focus on the first breathing exercise, the Abundance Breathwork guided breathing session. This session focuses on cultivating a mindset of abundance and attracting financial prosperity. In this transformative guided session, we will embark on a journey of deep breathing and visualization to align your energy with abundance and manifest financial prosperity. Prepare to relax, let go, and tap into the unlimited abundance that awaits you. Get ready to awaken your abundance consciousness and open the doors to a life of financial freedom. Let's begin. Step 1. Find a comfortable area where you can sit or lie down peacefully in a quiet spot. Close your eyes and take a moment to get settled into a position that feels relaxing. Step 2. Relaxation and centering. Start by taking in a few deep breaths, gently inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you exhale, effortlessly release any lingering tension or stress nestled within your body. Feel the peaceful feeling spreading through you as your body relaxes and your mind finds its tranquil center. Step 3. Setting your intention. Bring your awareness to your intention of attracting abundance and financial prosperity. Visualize your financial goals as already achieved, feeling the excitement and gratitude for the abundance that is coming into your life. Step 4. Deep tummy breathing. Experience deep belly breathing by gently resting your hands on your abdomen, right below your navel. Inhale deeply through your nose, ensuring your tummy expands fully as you pull in the breath. Feel the clean air fill your lower tummy, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your tummy to gently relax. Repeat this cycle of deep belly breathing for a few rounds, embracing the sensation of abundance and prosperity with every breath. Step 5. Affirmations. While continuing the deep belly breathing, silently repeat affirmations related to abundance. Select affirmations that resonate with you, such as, I welcome abundant opportunities into my life. Money effortlessly flows to me. Or I am deserving of boundless abundance. Let each affirmation resonate within you as you breathe. Step 6. Visualization. As you maintain the deep belly breathing and affirmations, visualize yourself surrounded by abundance. Imagine money flowing into your life from various sources. Visualize yourself enjoying financial freedom and feel the emotions of joy and gratitude for the abundance that is manifesting. Tap into all your senses to make the imagery vivid and palpable, as if you can truly see, hear, touch, taste, and smell the rich array of your envisioned reality. Step 7. Gratitude. Now concentrate on gratitude for the abundance you already have in your life. Pause for a moment to be thankful, cherishing the money that you currently have in your life and acknowledging the financial blessings that have already come your way. Express heartfelt gratitude for the opportunities and wealth that have come your way, knowing that more abundance is on its way. Step 8. Concluding and grounding. Now gradually shift your focus back to the present moment. Allow your awareness to gently return. Wiggle your fingers and toes, offering a revitalizing stretch to your body. Finally, take a deep breath, sealing this moment of tranquility and readiness before moving forward. As you exhale, release any remaining tension and ground yourself in the present moment. Practice this abundance breathwork routine regularly to align your energy with abundance and attract financial prosperity into your life. Remember to combine it with practical actions and a positive mindset to make the most of your money manifestation efforts. As we reach the conclusion of this guided breathwork session focused on abundance, allow yourself a moment to extend heartfelt gratitude for the abundance and prosperity you have welcomed into your life. Remember, this practice is a powerful tool that can be incorporated into your daily routine to continually attract wealth and create a mindset of abundance. Embrace the possibilities that lie ahead and know that you have the power to manifest your financial dreams. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey with us, which will have a big and positive impact in your life. May abundance flow effortlessly into your life.